Hi, my name is David P Shapiro. I'm a San Diego-based criminal defense attorney. I'm also the owner and managing partner of the law office of David P Shapiro, located in San Diego, California, where my firm helps good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime. In this video, I want to talk to you about what it means and what it could mean and what it should mean, unfortunately, for you if you are able to successfully negotiate and lower the rates or lower the fees that your attorney initially charges you. Okay, so a lot of times people, will ask around, hey, how do I get a better rate than what my current attorney or what the attorneys who I met with of this firm, what are they're charging me this much, how do I get them, what's the best way to get the best price on a criminal defense attorney? And that's really a mindset question, and it's a concerning one at that, right? Because twofold. One is, if you're charged with a crime from your perspective, or from the perspective of, if you're supporting emotionally, spiritually, financially, all three, a loved one who's facing a crime, understanding that money doesn't grow on trees, understanding that, times are tough for so many people living paycheck to paycheck. But think about what's at stake when you're charged with a crime, especially a serious crime, your freedom, right? Are you going What comes along with that? Are you going to lose your job? Are you going to lose your ability to provide for yourself, provide for your family? You're going to lose your home. You're going to lose your reputation. You're going to lose so much that you've built. Are you going to lose, in addition to your job, your car? Are you going to lose a relationship? Are you going to lose your children? Or spousal support if there's an ongoing family court case and you're convicted of domestic violence? There are so many things that have direct and then also collateral consequences of a criminal court case that you really should be thinking about first and foremost before you start talking about, well, how am I going to save $1,500? How am I going to save $1,000? Well, I'm going to hire this attorney or this law firm for $500. That's a mindset component of you, the consumer, or the loved one of someone facing a crime, someone in the market, so to speak, for a criminal defense attorney or a criminal defense law firm. But it also tells a lot about the attorney in a law firm that you're talking to, if they're going to be able to, if their services are this super, what, no, it's $7,500. It's $7,500 if you pay today. I know I said 10 the other day, but we really want your business. Well, it's a mindset on their sake too, because that's a real red flag that you should be looking for, right? Because you want someone to have a heart, right? You want someone to be compassionate. You want someone to be understandable of your situation. But you also don't want them to be able to give up their money, to give up their firm's financial well-being so quickly without, a real compelling reason to do so. Because if they're going to be that haphazard or that poor of a negotiator with their own money, how do you think they're going to be with your money, with your freedom, with your reputation, with your, namesake, with your ability to earn for your family, and all those things? So something you really want to keep an eye on, and it may save you some money in the short term to be able to negotiate or haggle with the criminal defense attorney or the criminal defense firm you're thinking about hiring. But is that really, one, the best move for you or your loved one on the priority scale? And two, or 1A and 1B, is that really the law firm or the lawyer that you want representing you who's getting fleeced by their client when it comes to negotiation? So keep those things in mind, understanding that money is very important, but you need to make sure you have the right attorney. And in many ways, $500, $1,500, $2,000 more now will save exponentially more in headaches, dollars and cents, reputation, freedom, potential, career opportunities, everything, if you have the right team behind you from day one. So just keep that in mind. Hope you use this video, find it helpful to make a decision best for you or your family when interviewing or when meeting with criminal defense law firms, and not to hire entirely based on who's the cheapest, or because there are usually some reasons for it, usually not good reasons when it comes to your freedom. If you have any questions about that, about this video, or about, if you or your loved one find yourself up against criminal charges, particularly in San Diego, feel free to reach out to my firm, 619-295-3555, Law Office of David P Shapiro, where we help good people regain control of their future when charged with a crime.